So these are the newest codes for Grow a Garden on Roblox. I'm going to be teaching you how to find these codes and also how to find them in other games so that you won't have a hard time looking for them. So the first thing you should always do is just go to the game itself and read the description. Sometimes in other games, they like to put the codes in their descriptions so players can have easy access. But if you don't see any codes there, just simply go to any browser. As you can see, I searched for Grow a Garden Roblox. Now what we're gonna do is type in codes at the end. So now we're searching for codes in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So as you can see, there are a lot of sites that give us codes for different games. In this case, Grow a Garden. So just tap on any of them and let's scroll down. So as you can see, it's not really giving us any kind of code because as of the moment, as of now, there are no codes for Grow a Garden. There is no system where you can claim codes or redeem codes because they haven't implemented it yet. This is what you should see. It says active codes and expired codes, and as you can see, there are none because they haven't implemented it into the game. So just keep on searching Grow a Garden codes on your browser and you should find it eventually if they do make an update. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.